Greetings bakers, let's make some fried chicken. Add your chicken drumsticks to a bowl. I believe I'm using about 11, just one standard pack of chicken. And add in 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 cup of pickle brine, and a 1/4 cup of jalapeno brine. Mix that together and let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you allow it to sit overnight, that will yield the best results. Moving on, add in 2 cups of potato starch to a bowl, along with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 teaspoons of this Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. Now I'm whisking that together until thoroughly combined. On to the next step, which is coating our drumsticks in our potato starch seasoning blend. So for this step, I'm dropping my drumsticks into my potato starch seasoning blend and coating them. A good tip is to use one hand when dealing with the wet drumsticks and the other hand when coating the drumsticks with the potato starch. On to frying. You want to let your oil heat up before adding your drumsticks. It should bubble like so. So I'm just adding 3 drumsticks. I let it cook for about maybe 5 to 7 minutes or until the bottom is lightly brown. Once that's done, just flip the drumsticks over and let the other side cook until lightly brown. The thing is, the second side will cook for a shorter amount of time than the first side did. Once that's done, you can use a wok strainer or a tong to basically drip off the oil and remove your chicken drumsticks from the oil. Continue the process until you have all of these beautiful drumsticks or wings, whatever you're using. But we're not quite done yet. So I'm partitioning my drumsticks into 2 different sections or portions. One portion will be coated with hot sauce. So just pour some in a bowl and shook it together until well coated. Once that's done, your drumsticks should look a little like this. So now I'm transferring all the drumsticks that I coated in hot sauce to their own special container for the hot sauce drumsticks. Only spicy chicken allowed here, do you understand? But don't fear, barbecue is gonna have their own party. The other section of chicken drumsticks will be coated in this honey barbecue sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's. Just spread it all over, shook it up, and it should look a little like this. Now I'm transferring them to their own container. See, they're not left out. And we shall compare them side by side. Look at how beautiful they turned out, and I can tell you they were delicious. The hot sauce ones were my favorite. The barbecue ones were also delicious, but I'm biased. I hope you try this recipe. Using potato starch instead of flour really makes a difference. Have a great day.